lunch. It will be a serum of enlargement. Melissa will be green with envy. My colleague appears in the laboratory with a huge hot dog all of a sudden. Is she actually the one who invented the enlarging serum? Cut big onion rings. Spray them with vinegar. Sprinkle with salt and sugar. Cut a big carrot into long strips and marinate it in the same way. Cut a loaf of bread from one side. Put in some lettuce. Add the rings of marinated onion and carrot. Put a bologna that looks like a sausage on top. Add some ketchup and mustard and put it in a paper bag with a hot dog label on it. The giant hot dog looks exactly like a real one. Melissa shows me her invention. It's a green-colored liquid. How did she manage to do it? And what if I try to enlarge the hot dog a little bit more? At the same time, we will see how the serum works. I add a drop of the liquid to the hot dog to make it grow, but it gets diminished instead. It's our good old diminurum. Melissa's tricked me. She's made this hot dog herself without using chemicals. Melissa denies all of my accusations. Well, in case you don't cheat, prove it. Turn this mini burger into a regular-sized cheeseburger using your new invention. But Melissa knows how to wriggle out of doing it. Oh, what's there on your glasses? And while her colleague is distracted, she swaps the mini burger for a real one. Slickly! Vanilla didn't notice anything, but she will bring the cheater out into the open. Melissa loves pizza very much, and if her enlarging chemical does work, then she should increase this mini copy of a delicious pizza to turn it into its real size. Cut a small circle out of a thin pizza crust. To cook the pizza, we will need salami, cheese, white button mushrooms, cherry tomatoes, and red pepper of a sweet variety. Cut out small circles out of a piece of salami using a straw. Cut the mushrooms into thin slices and make miniature mushroom-shaped pieces out of them. Cut the pepper into rings. Slice the cherry tomato and shape them into triangles. Assemble a mini pizza out of the ingredients. Cover the pizza crust with ketchup. Put on the mushrooms, tomatoes, salami, and pepper. Add finely grated cheese on top. Bake the mini pizza in a microwave. Print and cut out a pizza box layout. Assemble it and fasten. Put in the pizza. I bring the box with the pizza to Melissa. Oops, it shrunk. It is so tiny. Use your serum and enlarge it. This is a complete fail. Melissa isn't able to increase it no matter how hard she tries. She will have to enjoy its miniature copy. Okay, let it be. Leave this baby pizza. You won't fill up with it. Help yourself to the real one. Melissa keeps working even during her lunchtime. She mixes new ingredients and spills some of the chemicals onto her plate accidentally. Wow! Does it actually work? Ravioli has turned bigger. Cut a lasagna sheet into squares. Cook the sheets in boiling water until it's almost ready. Shred some spinach and mix it with quark, salt, and pepper for filling. Put the filling into the center of the sheet square and cover it with another one. Press the edges and trim them. Cut the edges to make them jagged. Cook the ravioli in a microwave until they are ready. Cover them with cream and sprinkle with parsley. This is what we call an invention. We did it! We will be able to supply all the countries in need with food using this enlarging chemical. Did you like our enlargement and diminishing experiments with food? Then write in your comments what you would like to cook: a big hot dog or a tiny pizza. And don't forget to give your thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you don't miss the most delicious stuff on the Troom Troom channel.